Here we go. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this is probably not going to be a surprise video for anyone. I already Instagrammed that I got this, but yeah, like I think everyone knew I would get it because I love amazing eyeshadows and I got the Norvina palette. I'll link all the details below, obviously, where you can get it. I think it's still in stock. And yeah, it's so pretty. So I do have Subculture, I have Modern Renaissance, and I also have Soft Glam, and now I have these beauties. Oh, it's lovely. Yeah, I really wanted something just slightly different, and this kind of like fitted the bill. So yeah, I'm very excited. Should we do a couple of swatches? I know everyone's probably already gonna seen them, but this is the amazing Soul, which everybody raving about. Let's do Rose Gold. The shimmers in this are so buttery. Look at that. Let's do Love. Ugh. There is a little bit of fallout, but not really bothered by that. Let's do Celestial. Go. Gosh darn it. I just think it's so pretty, and I don't have anything like these colours, so yeah, I had to have a play and get it. So yeah, we're gonna try it out, see what it's like. I'm very excited. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I really like it because you have got shades in there that like I would normally wear, like the orangey brown and the browny red, but at the same time you've got these lovely kind of like brighter summer colours, which are just nice. So yeah, let's have a little play. So, yeah, it's pretty. It's a pretty eyeshadow palette. I just put on some Colourpop lip. Okay, so I just put on some Lemon Drop from Colourpop. It's one of my favourite lippies that's purple. Just because it's more of like a muted purple. And that is also what I would say about this palette as well. Like, it is very subtle, soft. I wouldn't normally wear a lot of purples because I'm very pale and I wouldn't want it to look too like I've just punched myself in the face, like a bruise. But with these, they are very like day-to-day wearable. I don't think that I couldn't wear this to like work if I really wanted to. I could definitely get away with it. I also think it makes my eyes look a little bit bluer, which is really nice. So yeah, oh look, same colour. Yes, thought it would be a good match. Yeah, anyway, I really do like it. Oh, let me just fold it in half. There we go. So yeah, I really like it. I think there are some very nice colours in here. They are quite subtle. You know, if you're looking for like a bold in your face palette, you're not going to get that from this. You are going to get that very pretty, subtle, but at the same time very different eyeshadow look. Like I said, I don't really have any colours like this. That Love shade is very powdery, like it's got a lot of kick up. You will waste a lot of product with that one. The shimmers are very buttery, very buttery. They are beautiful. Wasn't too sure about this base colour. It kind of looked a little bit cakey, but the rest of them I did really like. Really liked that Eccentric as well. That was a really nice crease shade. And that Rose Gold, even though I didn't use it on my eyes, it's just beautiful. It's got like almost like a shift to it, but like a pink shift, but it's not quite. It's very subtle, but it's really pretty, really pretty. So yeah, really happy with the palette. Definitely think it's worth investing in if you like Anastasia shadows. I think, you know, you could do some really bold dramatic looks with it, but as I'm going into town, I'm not going to do that today. But I will actually probably have a little bit more of a play with this one. I think it's a little bit more playful, if you know what I mean. Like, you could do some very dramatic looks with it if you wanted to, but at the same time, you know, you can dress it down like I have today for like everyday look. So yeah, super duper. Definitely will be going into my won't be going into a drawer and hidden away. It will definitely get used, this one. So yeah, very happy. So guys, if you like these types of little videos, give this one a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye.